Hello everyone. Today we would be doing the lab identifying bias in Motis data using cloud. So first we'll start the lab. Open Google Console and sign into the lab. Accept. Here we are. Let's wait for the pop-up. Yes. Agree. So the following objective, we have to build a binary classification model using XGBoost, deploy the model and use the what if tool on the deployed model. Let's create a storage bucket first. We'll copy the project ID because we would be requiring a unique name. So let's just go with it. Cloud storage. Create bucket. Paste the ID over here. No other details have been given, so we will just simply create. The bucket is created. Next, we'll start a Jupyter Lab notebook instance. We would be opening a TensorFlow Enterprise notebook. So again, we'll go back to the lab. AI platform, notebooks. Create new notebook, and as we knew, TensorFlow Enterprise 2.3 without GPUs. We will change the region to US Central 1. So US Central 1, and we can simply create. The notebook is getting created. Here we'll have to wait for some time for it to get deployed. For to open the Jupyter Lab, it will take 5 to 6 minutes. So we'll have to wait over here. Open Jupyter Lab, and here we would be getting the Jupyter Lab tab. Let's wait for a few seconds for it to get open. So the third task is to clone the sample code. We will open the terminal into Jupyter Lab and clone the training data analyst notebook. So let's just copy the command, cancel this, and open the terminal. Paste the command, enter, and as we can see, XGBoost is getting downloaded. Till then we can clone the training data analyst repo. So just copy the below command, wait for this to get executed. Successfully installed XGBoost. You can see the version 1.5.0. Paste the command, and the cloning of training data analyst has begun. You can see towards the left hand side the files are getting downloaded. Again, this will take some time, but you can see. Next, if you want to confirm, you can open the tab over here, and let's just check my progress. Assessment completed. So at last we have to explore the what if tool. So navigate, we will navigate towards it, IPNYB. So training data analyst, will go to quest, and then finally we will open the notebook. We will have to simply run each cell one by one over here. So you can either run the entire, we don't need to run the first command, we have already downloaded XGBoost. So you can either run the entire notebook after making changes, or you can just simply run each command one by one and make changes accordingly. So here I am running each cell one by one. As you can see, we'll have to make some changes at points, so keep following. Go to each cell and shift enter to run. So here in this section you can see deploy model to AI platform. You will have to change some values. So instead here paste your GCP project ID. Paste it over here. Similarly, we have named our bucket, so we can paste the same over here. We haven't created any model, so we can give any model name below. So here I think we'll just keep it simple, and I'll give the name model, and we'll run this. After making these specific changes, all you have to do is run every cell below and wait for it to get completed, and you are done with the lab.